Ember has a problem. It's not really often that I'm compelled to make a video like this, but every once in a while I see an issue or a pattern that I feel the need to speak up on. I love Ember Mugs. I have gifted more of them than I can count, and I have included them in several gift guides. However, they are not cheap. Seriously, take a look at the link in the description below and see just how much these cost in your country. I've also linked a second mug there that I'm going to be recommending over Ember for the time being. And with that in mind, I stand by my recommendation made for this type of heated mug, as it just has the ability to make a coffee drinking ritual so much more enjoyable for slow coffee or tea drinkers. But at that price point, the product needs to be reliable and premium, and Ember appears to be blatantly okay with two issues that prevent this. The first has to do with their charging base. The bottom of the Ember Mug has two rings which charge the battery by contacting two pins in the base. It's a nice system because you can put it down in any orientation without a second thought. The problem is what turns out to be a very common issue with the pins getting broken or jammed. This actually happened to me on one of my charging bases during the review, but I contacted customer service and they had a replacement to me within a week or so. I chalked it up to a fluke and even added a point for good customer service. However, in the years since then, I have seen countless commenters continuing to report this issue even to this day. So it's something that Ember are aware of, but it seems that instead of updating or fixing the design, they're just leaving it as is and replacing the bases as needed until the mugs run out of warranty. Strike one. The second issue is something that I haven't experienced personally, but I have seen enough commenters complain about it to briefly mention it here. Many people have trouble connecting their mugs reliably to their phone apps. And unfortunately, with the Ember, there are no external controls, so you need this in order to change temperature or perform any other functions. So, for those two reasons, I'm not going to be recommending Ember anymore until the company shows its dedication to current and future customers by addressing these very well-known flaws. There are other heated mugs out there, like this one from Next Mug, which not only have more reliable charging interfaces, but also don't even require an app to perform basic functions like changing the temperature. I know this was a bit of a different video than normal, but thank you for tuning in to this short PSA. I just hate to see companies blatantly leaving issues unaddressed like this, and sometimes they need a little push. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.